What's up guys, I'm KP Kwan. Welcome back to another episode of Taste of Asian Food. Today, I'll prepare a super easy egg dish with preserved radish called菜脯in Mandarin and choi-po in Cantonese. Now this dish is an omelet seasoned with soy sauce, some sugar, and flavored with the preserved radish. It's super easy to make, and it is also best for a quick meal as I'm going to dine alone today. And there are different types of preserved Chinese vegetables, so make sure that you get the right type. And without further delay, let's get into the details right now. This is a preserved radish. It has already been cut into strips when I purchased it. Some suppliers chop it into small pieces and put it into a plastic bag. Since it is made with radish, and radish is called 萝卜 in Chinese, so there's another name of it which is called 萝卜干. If you cut it a little bit and taste it, you'll find that it is salty and it's a little bit sweet. If you find that it's too salty, you can put it in water and soak it for a while to remove the excess salt. I've just tried it and I find that this is not very salty, so I'll just rinse and clean it, remove it, and then chop it into small pieces. If you have tried this thing before, you know that the texture is crunchy, and that's the texture that we are looking for. I prefer smaller pieces, so I'm going to give it a few rough chops. You can also include some thinly sliced spring onion, which is optional. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Place the preserved radish into a dry pan over low heat without oil. Toast them slowly to remove the excess water. I do this because I want to make sure that it's crunchy. When it is dry, remove it from heat. Set aside. Let's get back to the eggs. Add the preserved radish. The spring onion. Season it with a little bit of light soy sauce, white pepper, and I'm not adding any salt and sugar because I've just tasted it and it is salty and sweet enough. Mix well. Heat some vegetable oil in a pan or a wok. Then pour the egg mixture into it. And then use the chopstick to stir the center. Swirl it around. You can use a well-seasoned cast iron wok or a non-stick pan to do it. After the omelette is set, flip it over. After both sides has turned golden, remove it from the wok. A quick and easy dish with preserved radish and egg. That's how to prepare egg with preserved radish, a typical Cantonese style home cooked dish. And it's quick and easy, perfect for anyone who are on the go, who doesn't want to spend too much time. And if you want to get the recipe, I have included in the description below the video. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.